Hi, I'm Steven Zeitz from Crystal Tech Nano, www.nanoinnovation.ca. If you know Fernando from Atelier Gents, you know that he cares about his customer safety. He asked me as a personal favor to come in here and to use our electrostatic foggers that we sell online to come and disinfect the entire place. We're using a Health Canada EPA, FDA approved all-natural biodegradable formula that will work on the aerosol as well as all the hard surfaces. Here, watch how we're going to do this. This is going to cover everywhere, and we're going to make sure that the place is completely disinfected, as Fernando plans on reopening within the next couple days. Him and his team take your safety very seriously.